Hello students, welcome to Shurasa's classes. Today we'll be solving some IIT JAM Chemistry questions from this year, that is 2018. Let's start with question number 23. The correct order of carbonyl stretching frequencies for the following compounds is, and we have 4 compounds given to us and subsequently 4 options are given and we have to choose from among these 4. So we know that as the number of electrons decreases from the carbonyl carbon, the carbonyl stretching frequency increases. So this is same as saying that as the electron withdrawing group or EWG, electron withdrawing group, withdraws more electron, subsequently the carbonyl stretching frequency will increase, and which is same as saying that as the electron donating group donates more electrons, that is, if it donates more, then CSF or carbonyl stretching frequency will decrease. So now referring to the compounds we have in hand, these are the 4 compounds we have, and we have to see the electron withdrawing groups or electron donating groups attached to this compound. So this is the compound we have, and so among these 4 we can definitely say that this one, this structure, C double bond O Cl, has the highest carbonyl stretching frequency or CSF. The next will be structure number, this will be the next one. So structure number 2. So this will be the next in line, and then we will have this is the next one. So this will be the third one in line, and the fourth one will be the remaining, that is this compound. So double bond O nitrogen. So option number first will be option number 1, then will be option number 2, then we will have 3, and then we will have 4. So according to the question, this will be 1 greater than 2 greater than 4 greater than 3, 1 greater than 2 greater than this is option number, this one is option number 4. So this is 4 greater than 3. So this is the correct answer. So option number D. Thank you.